Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today is somewhat of a short video, so I've run into a little pit stop. So I made this, hopefully there will be a picture at some point. I made this costume a couple months ago, a little while ago, and I actually kind of like it, but I feel like something's missing, and I'm not exactly sure what. So I would like to ask for your help in maybe if you'd like to leave a comment below thinking what you feel could be added or maybe changed up a little bit, because I kind of like it. Like, I know it's simple and somewhat plain, but I kind of like it. But again, I just feel like something's missing. Like, it's not quite finished. And it's supposed to be like a unicorn costume, like the start of like a unicorn princess kind of thing. But like, again, it's simple, but I kind of like it. But I do feel I should change some things maybe, or maybe add something, or I don't know. Like, maybe I could cut the tulle skirt part into like a high-low skirt, so like the front is higher and the back is lower. Maybe I could do that. Or like the top is just like one piece of fabric. I know, creative, right? It's just like one piece of fabric. Maybe I could use one of my patterns that I started trying to use. I could use one of those to create like an actual top, but it'll still be stretchy like that, so it still has the same look. Maybe I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. So please, if, again, this is just a super quick video, if you have any suggestions, please leave them down below, and hopefully I can finish it at some point, or maybe it's just gonna stay on the unfinished pile for a little while. Who knows? But anyway, so thank you so much for watching this short little help me video. Please like and subscribe if you'd like, and I will see you all next time. Bye.